How to add silence in AudioMass. First of all, open your audio project in AudioMass by uploading the file you want to edit or by creating a new recording. Next, select the exact spot in the waveform where you want to insert silence by clicking on that position. After that, go to the toolbar section and click on the button labeled S, which stands for Insert Silence. You can also press Shift+N on your keyboard or simply right-click and select Insert Silence from the drop-down menu. A small box will appear asking you to enter the duration of the silence you want to add in seconds. Drag the slider to choose the length of silence you need, then click Insert Silence. AudioMass will insert a silent space right where you place the cursor. You can also use the zoom feature for precise placement, especially when working on detailed edit. Remember, the inserted silence acts as a pause or break in the audio, which can be useful for removing unwanted sounds or creating dramatic effects. If you accidentally add too much silence or place it in the wrong spot, use the undo option under the Edit tab, or delete the silent part by selecting it and pressing the backspace key. Once you are satisfied with the added silence, you can export your edited audio file. And that's it. Now you know how to add silence in AudioMass. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.